Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you just built your motor. We're going to build it, I should say. Obviously, we do all the gasket kits here. If you want your shovels, your, Evo early, Evo late, twin cam, whatever it is, Milwaukee 8, God help us, give us a bell. But this particular item is not the gasket kits. This particular item is these bolt kits. Now, these are custom chrome, very good quality. This particular one, my favourites, and I've got a couple of them, FXRs and FLTs. Best bikes ever made, if you ask me. But great handling, apart from the baggers at high speed. Once over a ton, you take your life in your hands, unless you got the old Metrocheck swinging arms that we do as well. But this particular kit, beautiful chrome plated nuts and bolts. Okay, rocker box, etc. All your bolts you've got here, very cool. Very well made as well. You can see they've actually got the knurling on as well, which means if you did round them out by using the wrong stupid metric Allen keys, which people do, God help us, you can normally get a pair of mouldies on here and get them off. But if you use the right ones, which we do, by the way, you won't need to. All right, top of the range quality, FXR FLT, also available for every bike, literally Sportsters up, okay, 57 upwards, even the old FLs, your old ELs and your really old Harleys, these available. And as you can see here, we've got the gasket kits as well. Pistons, rebores, you name it, we do it. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Let's face it, with this COVID, you're going to be off for some time like we are. So it's a good chance to get all your projects done. Can't take that money with you. You're lying in your hospital bed thinking, fuck me, I wish that I'd bought those bike bits instead of lying here and wishing I'd never ridden that FXR or that beautiful old bike, that shovel, whatever your dream is. Okay? CustomCruisers.com. Thank you.